I find myself in October 2023 and all crazy stuff is happening in the world. Wars and rumors of wars and uh, angry and hateful feelings. Even when I get on my conspiracy theory websites, in the comment sections, people have already chosen sides. You know, this side hates the other side, and it's really bad news. And lately I've been wondering, what's it like to be vaporized in an atomic bomb? I'm 35 miles northwest of New York City, and if they drop an 80 kiloton bomb on Manhattan, I might survive if the wind is blowing from the west to the east and I don't get to fall out. But other than that, I don't know what to think about things, you know. Uh, Maybe if they drop a megaton hydrogen bomb, it's good night and good luck to everybody. But you drive through the woods and you see all this beautiful scenery, and you just don't know what to think, what's going on in the world anymore, because it's insane. You understand? It's totally insane. Insane.